Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today's topic is whitening cream, means fairness cream. Friends, this is a full practical video, so please watch full video and don't skip in between the video. Let's start. See, this is beeswax. This is emulsifying wax. This is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. You can take any other oil which suits your skin. This is glycerin. Glycerin acts as a moisturizer. This is borax, which makes skin fluffy. This is rose water. This is kojic acid powder. Please take oil-based kojic acid powder. It is a whitening agent. This is water. Take RO water, mineral water, but please don't take tap water. This is aloe vera gel. You can take any aloe vera gel from market. This is vitamin E capsule. It diminishes wrinkles and it is anti-aging and it improves your complexion. This is rose essential oil. You can take any fragrance of your choice. The whitening cream in the market has many chemicals and they are very costly. But today we will make whitening cream of very good quality and which contains no chemicals and is very pure and very low in cost. Now let's start. For that I have taken a stainless steel vessel. Now I am putting beeswax in it. Now I am adding emulsifying wax in this beeswax. Now I am adding olive oil in it. Now I am taking glass container of glycerin and adding rose water in it. Then I am adding aloe vera gel in this glass container. Now I am putting aside this glass container. Now I am adding water, borax and kojic acid powder in this stainless steel container. Friends, now I am adding vitamin E capsule in the glass container I had forgotten earlier. Friends, now I am starting the procedure. For that I had kept water filled container on a gas stove. And then I am putting this stainless steel container in this water. This is called double boiler. Friends, remember one thing, never melt on direct flame, otherwise all the nutrients in the product will be lost. So for skin related product, always use double boiler. Now see, all the ingredients in the steel container has melted. See, I have kept one more steel container in this vessel. It contains water because we will need some hot water later on. Friends, it has already melted, so I had removed it from the flame. See. Now I am adding ingredients of glass container in it. Now I am blending it with hand blender. You can also blend with spoon, but it will take some more time. Friends, it is looking a bit thick, so I am adding some hot water in this and blending it again. After blending for some time, it looks like this. I am blending it again to make it more fluffy. Now see, this is ready. See the beautiful texture of cream. Now I am adding rose essential oil for fragrance. You can add any fragrance of your choice. Now I am filling this cream in the container. Friends, finally your whitening cream is ready. Can you see the fluffiness of this cream? So friends, try it, and if you have any difficulty, then please write down in the comment box. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please click the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please do subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the icon bell. After pressing the bell, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please click the all button which is on the top. Clicking all button is very important. By clicking all button, you will receive notification of my future videos whenever I make a new video in future. So please press all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.